Hello guys, this is your time to slow down, breathe, and care for your skin after a long day. Nighttime skincare is not just about products, it's about repair, renewal, and restoration. While you sleep, your skin works its hardest, repairing damage, rebuilding collagen, and balancing oil and hydration. That's why a proper night routine can completely transform your skin texture, clarity. So let's begin step 1. Remove the day. Makeup and sunscreen removal. Before cleansing, the first and most important step is removing everything your skin collected during the day. This includes makeup, sunscreen, dirt, pollution, excess oil. Why this step matters: if you skip proper removal, your cleanser cannot work properly. Leftover sunscreen and makeup clog pores, leading to acne, blackheads, dull skin, uneven texture. How to do it? Choose *1 for following. Option 1. Cleansing oil. Take 2-3 pumps, apply to dry skin, massage gently for 60 seconds. Focus on nose, chin, and jawline. Option 2. Micellar water. Soak a cotton pad, gently wipe, never rub. Use multiple pads until clean. Massage slowly. Let the oil dissolve impurities instead of scrubbing. Rinse with lukewarm water. Step 2. Double cleansing. Now your skin is ready for deep yet gentle cleanse. Why double cleansing is essential for glass skin. Glass skin requires clean pores, balanced oil, no residue. A water-based cleanser removes sweat, remaining dirt, excess oil. How to cleanse properly? Use a pea-sized amount, foam lightly in your hands. Massage for 40 to 60 seconds. Avoid harsh pressure. Rinse thoroughly. Avoid hot water. Avoid aggressive scrubbing after cleansing. Your skin should feel clean, soft, not tight or dry. Step 3. Gently exfoliation. Exfoliation is optional but powerful. Why exfoliation helps glass skin? It removes dead skin cells, dullness, clogged pores, revealing smoother texture, better product absorption, natural glow. Choose the right exfoliant. Chemical exfoliants are best for glass skin. H for glow and texture. BHA for acne and pores. How to use: apply after cleansing. Use a thin layer. Do not rub. Leave on as directed. Never exfoliate daily. Never mix with reagent. Never mix with retinol the same night. Step 4. Toner. Hydration and balance. Toner is not about stripping. It's about hydration and pH balance. Why toner is crucial after cleansing? Your skin needs hydration, calmness, balance. A good toner prepares skin, boosts glow, reduces irritation. How to apply: pour into palms or cotton pad. Press gently into skin. Focus on cheeks and forehead. Apply 1-2 layers if needed. Glass skin loves hydrating toners, not alcohol-based ones. Step 5. Essence. The heart of glass skin. Essence is a game changer. Why essence matters? Essence works deeper than toner, but lighter than serum. It improves skin texture, boosts hydration, increases elasticity. Application method 2-3 drops. Pat gently, let skin absorb fully. Think of essence as feeding your skin water from within. Step 6. SERMs, targeted treatment. This is where transformation happens. Choose based on your skin needs. You don't need all. Choose *1 or 2. For glass skin glow, niacinamide hyaluronic acid. For acne and texture, salicylic acid, centella. For anti-aging, retinol 2-3 nights, week only. How to apply: 2-3 drops, spread evenly. Pat. Don't rub. Wait 30-60 seconds between layers. Step 7. Eye cream, gentle care. The eye area is delicate. Why eye cream is important? Prevents fine lines, reduces dryness, improves brightness. How to apply: use ring finger, rice grain amount, tap gently around eyes. Never pull skin. Step 8. Moisturizer, seal everything in. Moisturizer locks in all previous steps. Why moisturizing at night is non-negotiable. Even oily skin needs moisture. Skipping moisturizer leads to more oil production, breakouts, dehydration. Application: use a generous amount, massage upward, cover neck as well. Press hands gently to seal. Step 9. Face oil. Optional but powerful face oils give that asterisk glass-like finish. Benefits: seals moisture, adds glow, strengthens skin barrier. How to use 2-3 drops only, warm between palms. Press into skin. Step 10. Lip and neck care. Glass skin is incomplete without lips and neck. Apply lip sleeping mask or balm. Massage leftover product onto neck. Night habits from glass skin. Skincare works better when lifestyle supports it. Healthy night habits: sleep 7-8 hours, clean pillowcases weekly, avoid touching face, drink water. 1. Choosing the right products. Glass skin is about expensive products. It's about the right texture, ingredients, and consistency. Before we go deeper, understand one rule. Don't twig seep. If your skin barrier is healthy, glass skin comes naturally. Don't. So every product you choose should support the skin barrier, not damage it. Step 2. Night routine by skin typer. Let's break the routine. By skin type. Ask. So you don't overdo or underdo anything. Oily and acne skin. Most common. Your goal: control oil, prevent clogged pores. Calm inflammation, keep skin hydrated. Yes, oily skin needs hydration. Ideal night products: oil cleanser, lightweight non-comedogenic water cleanser gel or foam, low pH toner, hydrating plus soothing, not drying serum diacinamide, oil control plus glow, salicylic acid, 2-3 nights week moisturizer, gel or gel cream, moisturizer, gel or gel cream. Heavy creams, alcohol-based toners. Overexfoliation. Glass skin for oily types comes from balance, dry skin. Your goal: deep hydration, repair moisture barrier, prevent flakiness and dullness. Ideal night products: Tarscris cleansing oil, nourishing cream cleanser, gentle, non-foaming toner Poner Escaris essence, mandatory for dry skin serum hyaluronic acid, ceramides, moisturizer, thick, barrier repairing face oil barrier repairing face oil highly recommended. Dry skin glass glow looks plump, juicy, and soft. Combination skin. Your goal: control oil in T-zone, hydrate dry areas. Maintain even texture. Smart approach: gel cleanser, hydrating toner, lightweight serum, gel cream moisturizer. Use less product on oily areas, more on dry zones. Sensitive skin. Your goal: calm skin, reduce redness, strengthen barrier. Key rules: fewer products, no fragrance, no harsh actives. Best ingredients: centellopanthenol, ceramides. Glass skin for sensitive skin comes slowly, but it comes safely. Step 3. Activize ingredients. This step separates beginners from pros. Niacinamide, daily friendly benefits. Binds skin, controls oil, improves texture. How to use: nightly 2-5% for beginners. Apply after toner or essence. Hyaluronic acid hydration booster benefits. Plumps skin, reduces fine lines, adds glass-like bounce. Pro tip: apply on slightly damp skin, then seal with moisturizer. Retinol, advanced step. Retinol is powerful and risky if misused. Benefits: smooth texture, reduce acne marks, anti-aging rules. Use only 2-3 nights week. Never mix with exfoliants. Always moisturize well. Use sunscreen daily. Next morning. Retinol glass skin looks smooth, refined, poreless. Seach Emerald exfoliants. Use only at night. A#, glow, dull skin B#, acne, blackheads frequency 1-2 times week. Beginners 2-3 times week. Experienced. Overexfoliation equals damaged skin barrier. Step 4. Layering order. Very important. Correct order makes products work 10x better. Night layering order. 1. Oil cleanser. 2. Water cleanser. 3. Exfoliant, if using. 4. Toner. 5. Essence. 6. Serum. 7. Eye cream 8. Moisturizer 9. Face oil rule. Thin. Think water. Goal Rouge step 5. How much product to use more product? Centerness. Better skin. Correct amount guide. Cleanser. Coin size toner. Few drops essence. 2-3 drops serum. 2-3 drops moisturizer. Almond size oil. 2 drops only glass skin comes from. Asterisk proper absorption, not excess. Step 6. Camille night skincare mistalks. Avoid these if you want real results. Sleeping with makeup. Using too many actives. Skipping moisturizer. Tucking face repeatedly. Tucking face repeatedly. Dirty pillowcases. Expecting overnight results. Consistency beats everything. Step 7. Weekly night skincare schedule. Number example weekly plan asterisk hydration night no actives asterisk Tuesday niacinamide plus moisturizer asterisk Wednesday exfoliation night asterisk Thursday asterisk repair and calming night asterisk retinol night asterisk Saturday hydration plus face oil asterisk Sunday asterisk skin rest night minimal routine. This keeps your skin asterisk healthy, glowing, and stress-free. Step 8. Sleep and night habits for glass. Skincare alone is not enough. Night habits that boost glass skin: sleep before midnight, 7 to 8 hours rest, silk or cotton pillowcase, clean phone screen. Avoid sugary late snacks. Your skin heals when asterisk you rest properly. Step 9. How long until you see results? Be honest with yourself. 7 days. Better hydration. 14 days. Improved texture. 30 days. Visible glow. 60 to 90 days. True glass skin. There are asterisk no shortcuts. Only care. Thank you for watching.